Guys, what's up? Let's do a squishy tour of all the squishies I have since they're really hot right now. It doesn't look like much, but so let's get into it. Okay, first we have this jumbo duck. I have had one of these and it was so good. Tried to get the air out of it, it popped. So I tried to get the air out of this one. It literally popped. But doesn't seem to be coming out. So we have my jumbo duck and I love it, and I literally got the air out of it, so it still has a little air, but that's okay. Let's see, next we have this like wubba bubba ball. It has like just like water and sparkles in it. I might do a face so it can be more like a dumpling. Next we have not one, not two, and not but three. Yes, they're real. They're the Shark Frenzy colors, and I love them so much. But why'd I have to get duplicates? Guys, I went to the dentist like not a year ago. Whoa, like 4 months ago. And they said I didn't have a cavity. I swear I have a cavity. Guys, I'm so excited because we have nothing to do tomorrow, so I probably won't go to school. Don't mind how orange my lips look. Trust, they're not orange. They're not orange, okay? And again, don't mind how I look. This lighting's horrible. I don't look this ugly off camera, so don't mind. Okay, next we have not one. I'm gonna keep saying not one, not two, but two mini Nidos. I did get the pack of 4, but this is the last one standing because my mom. I gave one to my mom, and the others 2 popped. So I have this one, it's very fogged up, and then my friend got the pack of 4, and you get 2 blues, so my friend gave me a blue, and it's so much softer than this one, so. Next we have a Nido Swirl dupe, because it's a dupe, but it still feels so good. Some people hate the nail digging, I love it, but for the people that hate it, for the people who love it, for the people who hate it, heads up. For the people who love it, here you go. Because I just hate watching videos when people, like when they squish squishies, they just like, I'm sorry, but I will scroll. It's not satisfying. No. Next, we have like a whole thingy of these, and they honestly suck. But these foam squishies, I thought they were slow rise. They're just foam. They're not good. I mean, they're not bad, but next we have this cat. It does not have a face on it because it kind of just came off, but it's so good. Like, it's kind of sticky, but yeah. Next I have this random egg, and it feels so freaking good. Look at it. So pretty, and it stretches too. Then we have this ugly octopus, but I mean, it's still a squishy even though it's super ugly. No offense to octopus lovers. It's really stretchy too, and it's a sugar filled. And then we have a gumdrop Nido dupe. And then I have a real one in the same color. I don't know where it is. Hold up. I'll come back to that one. But then we have an apple. It feels really good. And then we have my real gumdrop, and it's super hard. So I don't like that one. Then we have this sandy carrot. My dad loves it, but personally I hate it. So, yeah. Next we have the color changing Nido. So freaking good. Then we have this thing that my friend 3D printed me, and it's a really good fidget even though it's not squishy. And then I have a cool cat Nido that I popped the air out of, and it has a hole in it. I don't give a crap. I actually give a crap, but I'm gonna keep squishing it. I'm so mad, that's why. But that's why I don't give a crap, because I'm so mad. Then I have a tab of squishies. And it low-key sucks. So we're not going to spend any more time on that. And then, stop falling. My basket's falling, y'all. Then we have a shaggy Nito that I took the air out of. Okay, this one. If you've seen in one of my videos where I did a haul of my squishies, this had netting around it. The netting started to come off, so yeah. But if me and my grandma go to the restaurant where they had the claw machine, I'll try to get it again because it's only 75 cents. It's really satisfying, but I missed the net on it. Then we have a slow rise. I think slow rises are the most satisfying thing. Also, guys, I am ordering squishies from Shein, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, this one has been on many road trips. First, it had sand in it, and then it was a Nito, actually. But first, it had sand in it, and the sand started, like, disappearing. So I filled it up with slime, and then it started coming out. So we filled it up with beads. It's actually really satisfying. We worked with what we had, okay? But it's really satisfying. I'm not even lying with you. It's really satisfying. I'd be playing with it all day. You just have to feel it. It's not pretty, but then we have a stupid air-filled Nito. I shouldn't be saying that about Nitos, but it's air-filled. Let me know if I should fill it up with something. I just don't know what to fill it up with. And then we have some butter slime. And just some, like, slime that doesn't stretch. You know, that type of slime. Next, we have my ice cream Nito. And it's real. My ice cream Nito. So good. I did have a jumbo strawberry, but I traded it for the ice cream Nito. And then my dad got me a blind box, and I love blind boxes. It's so hard, but harder than the gumdrop Nito, way harder than 1,000 then combined. Like, look at this. But it's so good. I love it. Then we have like a bunch of like mochis and random foam squishies. We do have one of the like the Nito, what's it called? Spaghetti thingies. Yeah. We have like this. It's a Nito, I think. But oh, and then we have another air-filled. Let me check to make sure that's like really it. We do have more stuff, but it's all just like random stuff. So yeah. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Taking time to watch my channel. But yeah, guys, summer's almost here, and I could not wait for summer to happen. I can't wait to go to the pool. Can't wait to go to the beach. Yeah, I can't wait to do all that. I really want to not start a podcast, but look, you start a podcast. But like, I do it with my friends. But my goal is first get more followers and then do a podcast with my friends. So I'll have my friends come over and then like with guests and stuff like that. So yeah, but that's it, guys. I'm gonna miss y'all. Oh, also comment down below what y'all like doing for the summer and what y'all's plans are and any trips that y'all are going on. But yeah. But that's it, guys. I just love talking to y'all. So that's it. Bye, guys.